In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust letter spacing, also known as kerning, in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the design editor opens, add some text to your canvas by clicking the text tool on the left side. Type the word or sentence you want to adjust. Next, click on the text box so it becomes selected. After selecting the text, look at the top toolbar of the Canva editor and find the option called Spacing. Click on Spacing and a panel will appear with a slider for letter spacing. Move the slider to the right to increase the space between the letters, or move it to the left to bring the letters closer together. Adjust the slider slowly until the text looks balanced and easy to read. This setting changes the spacing for all the letters in the text box at the same time. If you want to adjust the spacing between specific letters, you can use a simple workaround. Click inside the text box and select the letter you want to move. Cut that letter and paste it onto the canvas so it becomes its own text box. Once the letter is separate, you can move it closer or farther from the other letters using your mouse or the arrow keys on your keyboard. This method allows you to manually adjust the spacing between specific letters when needed. That is how you adjust letter spacing in Canva.